We have researched to find the best freediving mask on the market, the features to look for range from the volume of the mask to the materials used for the skirt. So, let's go. Number 1, most popular. Cressi Italian Lens Frameless Scuba Snorkeling Dive Mask. Cressi is one of the top brands when it comes to scuba, snorkel, and freediving masks. This option is an F1 frameless mask with a single lens and the Supernova dry snorkel. The lens of the F1 mask is made from tempered glass so it won't bend at deeper depths. The skirt is comfortable as it's made from a silicone material. The entire mask is also a low-volume dive mask design. Cressi also understands that an easy-to-use strap will help underwater. This is why they have a push-button buckle which makes on-the-go adjusting a breeze. Number 2. Seadive Oceanways Superview. The Oceanways Superview Eagle Eye Dive Mask from Seadive is another top competitor. It also means that your field of view is also wider than other masks. This makes this mask an ideal option for those looking to night dive as it allows the colors to pop. This is coupled with a skirt made entirely from high-grade silicone. It makes one of the best bonds to your face for a truly zero-leak system. The lens is also coated with a membrane that reduces glare and protects against harmful UV rays from the sun. Number 3. Cressi Low Volume Adult Mask for Scuba. There's a reason Cressi's on this list twice, they make top-rated freediving masks. Like all Cressi gear, this mask has been designed and made in Italy using some of the top quality products available. They have used this knowledge for their Nano mask. Cressi has created 2 new patents specifically for this mask. Their Nano has a 2-window mask that has been specially designed for freediving and spearfishing. The buckle system is nearly unbreakable. It has been specially designed with as few steps as possible to adjust. It is flexible while being ultra comfortable. Number 4. Aqua Sphere Mask, Black Silicone Black. Aqua Sphere is the swimming gear division of Aqua Lung, the world's leader in scuba diving and snorkeling gear. The large skirt creates a very nice seal around your face, and there will be less leakage than rival masks on the market. It is also one of the most comfortable masks you will wear. We love clear lenses. They give you a 180-degree field of vision, allowing you to see everything that mourns you. The lenses are also scratch-resistant and anti-fog. 2 things that will annoy you in the water are a scratch mask and a fogged-up mask. Number 5. Ziona Diving Mask Low Volume Design Tempered Glass Lens. Ziona is not one of the more widely known mask manufacturers. They do, however, make some of the top-rated products on the market. This diving mask is a 2-window rig that uses tempered glass lenses. They offer distortion-free glass that allows you to see the underwater world as it is. This glass is also scratch and shatters resistant as well. What makes these lenses stand out from the crowd is that they are prescription-ready. Ziona utilizes high-quality non-toxic 100% silicone for their mask skirt. This makes it completely hypoallergenic and contaminant-free.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.